Sorry.
What are the first hot topics?
Well, I've heard this one before. I actually think the last time I was here with Sim, I went through this one.
Which is?
There is an ambulance that has been at the wharf for over a year. The ambulance was donated and it is at the Kingston Wharf and has been there for more than a year. And it has been handed over to the Noel Holmes Hospital in Lucy, Hanover. So what they're saying is that it's no longer there. It has been finally handed over on Friday.
This is a picture of our walk?
Yeah, man. That's a walk coming here.
Where are them going?
So on the road, why you think you have so much traffic?
So that's I'm wondering, where are they going? Kind of space are they?
Yeah, they're going on the road, and that is why that is why you and I cannot reach over the waters until 10 o'clock at night if you leave at 5 o'clock. Because those are coming in addition to what we already have.
Clearly,
and then they say Jamaican people not no money.
Well,
lie.
Clearly, there's a sky thing that's gonna happen somewhere.
Yeah. You never watch the Jetsons?
No, but I must say it.
You never watch the Jetsons?
This is our wife?
Yes.
Ara look like him. I said she never hear say it was she ask again.
It is our work. Well, back to the ambulance.
And that's just one little part?
Why are you so shocked? I'm sorry. Haven't you driven past all of these new car places that are selling cars and seeing the cars on the lot? Why are you so shocked?
Cars are parked there and not moving.
No, them are moving. You know, see how much Porsche Cayenne I drive up and none of them things. You think people not like that?
Some of the car place them having knocked there now move.
And some of the car place
the car them
really
are spill out now. Jesus have mercy.
Anyway, the donation of that ambulance was made in 2016, June 2016, by United Kingdom chapter of Friends of the Noel Holmes Hospital, but the vehicle couldn't leave the wharf because approximately $5 million in customs duties had not been paid. Now, in my opinion, if we need the ambulance,
me not understand.
Oh, we are going to charge people $5 million worth of customs to just take the ambulance off to use when it's a donation. It just didn't make sense to me.
If them did have $5 million,
they would have buy an ambulance. Exactly. So I don't get the point. Anyway, the UK diaspora, they raised the money
to clear it.
Yeah.
After providing ambulance.
They raised the money for clear it. So thank you very, very much for all of your help, and we appreciate it. And Dr. Christopher Tupton said he would have appealed to the Minister of Finance for help. So I guess whatever they raised
need
is
to make it a policy
to clear it. But I'm glad that it's there. It's finally there and in use. So thank you for that.
Who for roof leaking apart from mine? $10 million?
Your roof leak?
What?
I'm sure it's not gonna cost 10 mil.
I hope not.
What's the next one?
Is it 3 months? 10 million?
It's the roof of the Musgrave Market in Port Antonio in Portland. It was repaired by the Portland Municipal Corporation, and the vendors are saying that the leaking is destroying them goods, like it'll leak again, and it
was repaired and now it gonna leak again.
Yep. Well, with all of this rain, what do you expect? If it's not done properly in the first place, then it's not gonna stick around.
So, this is Portland.
Yep.
Where rain fall
every day. And imagine if we get so much rain now, just imagine what they're going through.
So, Miss a roof person. Never know, say, them not gonna find out, say it never fixed properly.
Well, here the thing now.
Every day.
Hear this now. The leaking roof was reportedly repaired in August, and it was reported that $10 million was earmarked to carry out the repairs. So apparently, them did set aside, or supposedly set aside, that $10 million to actually repair the roof. And after the supposed $10 million repair, the vendors are still complaining that the leaking roof is damaging their goods. So I don't know if it repair or it don't repair, or some of the $10 million go for repair it, or some of it go somewhere else, or I don't know. I'm just saying
to
that the people them goods are mash up.
That is now still leaking.
Yes, my dear.
No wickedness that. I mean, I don't have the full details. Maybe the repairer can tell me something that I don't know. But a Portland, them would have found out, say, no fixed rainfall every day. Oh my God.
And the last one is really just an update
of the earthquake.
Yeah, you know what's been going on. It was in our hot topics yesterday.
Yeah.
And, it's really, really, really a sad state of affairs. So to this point, they've got more than 7,000 injuries being reported.
More than 400 dead.
Yeah, yesterday we were at a death toll of 207.
No, it's
And
400.
today it's
I hope it
400
doesn't
people.
climb. They're still looking for survivors trapped in the rubble of collapsed buildings. The quake is the deadliest in the world this year, and that's just shocking, because not a few months ago we were looking at Mexico and saying, oh, that was so deadly, and then here comes this 400 people dead so far. A woman and her baby were pulled alive from rubble in the town. Thank God.
Amazing.
Many buildings have appeared to collapse. Running water and electricity out. People were forced to spend hours outdoors in parks or streets. And this is very cold weather in that part of the world. So,
Our condolences go to them, and our prayers go up as usual for situations and events like this. But just always makes me wonder why so much all of a sudden, you know? I'm really concerned about how often these things seem to be happening.
Yeah.
But we have to keep strong.
We have so much people we know about today.
Yeah, well, it's time for birthdays, if she didn't tell you.
How old people we know about today? Well,
I do that because I don't know any.
No, holy. Sandria Faulkner. Good morning, Sandy. Happy birthday to you. Jeremy Whittaker, if he's here. Don't know if he's in Canada. Bob's in and out, Mr. Destiny.
In birthday is still happening for me in Canada.
But me don't know if he might watch it on TV.
One spot.
But me I give him anyway. Siobhan Dunn, Deborah Manning, happy birthday, my love. Denzel Wilson. Denzel me is still a customer on Facebook. Shanika Blair, Jackie Cameron Forbes, Ian Burnett, Stacey McCollum, Amelia Griffiths, Carlton Thomas, and my brethren Neville Curtis asked me to pass on a happy birthday greetings. Kristen Sweeney Welsh is celebrating her birthday today, coming from your mom Sarah, dad Ziggy, husband Ramon, daughter Chloe, nephew Casey, cousin Jessica, auntie Cheryl, uncle Keith, and the rest of the family.
Entire family.
They want you to know that they love you very much.
My word. And I bet you said the one over name never call her.
I'm gonna never get them long greetings, darling. Only never. All right.
Happy birthday, everyone. Have a great week.
The key to unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people. Believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will, because our hearts tell us so.